Teaching robotics in Ghana is relatively new and exciting, a field that holds immense promise for the future of education in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM. As the demand for skilled workers in robotics and automation grows, there is a need to introduce students to robotics at an early age. I spoke to Jonathan Kennedy, CEO of the Accra-based Inovtech Stem Center, about teaching young people about robotics. Welcome to Africa 54.
Thank you, Mr. Ndiho.
You've been training a lot of young people since we last spoke, and I hear now you are spreading the word across universities in Ghana. What are you teaching these young people to do?
Our focus has been on junior high schools and senior high schools, and then we realized that when students from the senior high schools graduate from senior high school and they go to university, the interest dies. So we are now working with a couple of universities to revive that spark, the spark we started in senior high school and junior high school. So we continue from there. Last year we started working with UPSA, that is University of Professional Studies, Accra. And this year we are working with Ashesi, two students from Ashesi University as well.
So what are you teaching these students?
We are basically teaching them robotics. We are teaching them coding. There are a lot of people in the university doing electrical engineering, doing computer science, but they don't know how to program. They don't know how to write a simple code. So based on the knowledge we have, we are trying to give them that same opportunity to learn how to code, learn how to program robots, and we make it exciting through the robotics. So they kind of see the relevance of what they are learning because they are seeing the real world application of the coding that they are learning through the robotics.
Do you have sponsors who help you to do this, or you just do it using your own resources?
Currently, we have gotten a donor on board. It's an organization called STEM for Everyone from America. They are currently sponsoring us. They are giving us funding. They are giving us resources to train these students. So when people like you give us opportunity to tell the world what we are doing, to tell the world our mission and our goals, there are people out who, if not for you, if not for the platform you've given us, they wouldn't have seen us. And then these people that are currently funding, they saw our videos. They saw a couple of our videos, and then they reached out.
My job is really to profile what you do, and I'm happy to hear that because of the work that I've done, you are able to get funding to keep carrying on these projects.
That is true. We owe you a very big thank you, and for giving us the opportunity, for putting us out there, for letting people see the work we do and the work we are doing.
How many young people have you been able to train in robotics, in coding and programming?
Since 2015, we've been able to train over 15,000 students throughout the country. So from Western region, Accra region to the greater Accra region, Bono East, Bono West, like throughout the country, we've been able to reach out to over 15,000. And then because of our work with the Ghana Education Service, we have access to like a lot of schools that we train. So we have the numbers. We are really having impact on a lot of students currently.
There are a lot of young people there who are interested in doing what you do, getting into robotics, getting into coding, programming, but they don't know how to do it. How can these young people who are interested maybe reach out to you?
For me, I think what they need is the interest. They should just have the interest. They should just be willing to learn. And I always tell my students that if you are willing to learn, we'll learn a lot of things and we'll be able to impact a lot of students. Because if you're an instructor and you don't want to learn, you're not willing to learn. New technologies every day. We use a variety of robotics technologies to teach students. So if you're not willing to learn how to use one or more systems, you won't be able to have the kind of impact that you are willing to have. So yeah, it's just an interest, you having the interest to learn something. That's what we need.
In terms of opportunities, what opportunities are there if one has skills in robotics, in computer programming?
There are countless opportunities in the field of robotics, in the field of computer programming. You can build websites, you can build applications that is going to be the next big thing in the world. So I believe we are not limited.
I think you're going to be great. Keep doing what you do, man. Thanks for your time.